In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shipping address in Lazada app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and how to make your new address the default for future orders, all in just a few minutes. First, open the Lazada app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in and that your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. From the home screen, look for the Account tab. It's usually on the bottom right of the screen. Tap Account to open your personal dashboard. Inside your account, find the Settings option. You might see it as a gear icon or as the word Settings near the top. Tap Settings to access your personal preferences and app configurations. Next, select Address Book. This is where all your delivery locations are stored. It lets you add new addresses, edit existing ones, and choose which one should be used by default when you check out. Now tap Add Address. This opens the form where you'll enter the new location you want your orders to be delivered to. Take a moment to gather the exact details before typing to avoid errors. Enter your new address carefully. Fill in the required fields such as the street address, building name, unit, or floor number if applicable, city, province, or state, and the correct postal code. Add any helpful delivery notes like gate codes or nearby landmarks to make it easier for couriers to find you. Double-check spelling, especially for city and postal code, since even small mistakes can delay deliveries. If you see a map or location pin, align it as closely as possible to your actual delivery point for better accuracy. When you're done, tap Save. If the Save button looks inactive, scan the form for any missing required fields and complete them. After saving, you should be taken back to the address book where your newly added address will appear in the list. Finally, tap your new address and set it as your default address. Setting it as default means Lazada will automatically select this address during checkout, which saves time and reduces mistakes. You can still switch to a different address during checkout if needed, but making the correct one default helps ensure your orders go to the right place every time. Look for a label or indicator that confirms it's now the default. That's it. You've updated your shipping address in the Lazada app and set it as the default. If you ever move again, just repeat these same steps. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.